How to stop Instagram from sharing story to Facebook. Hello guys, let's get started. So if you want to stop Instagram from sharing stories to your Facebook, open up your Insta, then go to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you here, tap on the three lines on the top right, and you should be on your settings and privacy. Head over to account center from here. After you're there, you'll find an option that says connected experiences and sharing across profiles. Tap on it. And after you do that, you can select your profile. So let me select the profile right here. And from here, you can see automatically share option. So from this, you can, if this one is turned on, that is your Instagram story, turn this off. So as you can see, if I share an story from my Instagram right here, it will share to my Facebook. So I'll just turn this off. And after turning this off, now whatever story I share on my Insta will not get shared in my Facebook. And that's how you do it. And that's how you stop Instagram from sharing story to Facebook. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.